everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add clickable links on Instagram step by step. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram profile. Tap on Edit Profile and scroll down until you see the Links section. Tap Add Links, then Add External Link. Here you can paste your link, give it a title if you want, and then press Done. Now your clickable link is added to your bio. Another way to add links is through your Instagram stories. Tap the plus button in the middle at the bottom, select Story, and either take a photo or pick one from your gallery. Once you have your story ready, tap the sticker icon at the top and select Link. Paste your link, tap Done, and it will appear as a clickable sticker on your story. And that's it. Now you know how to add clickable links on Instagram.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.